This section also covers the metric system. So the metric system is based on powers of 10. And there's lots of different units in the metric system, but they're all based on three basic units. And that is the gram, the liter, and the meter. So the gram measures mass, the liter measures volume, and the meter measures distance. The symbols are G, L, and M. And an example of 1 gram would be one small paper clip, 1 liter is like a 1 liter pop bottle, or half of a 2 liter. And then 1 meter is 39 inches, or you can think about a meter stick. Okay, so to get all of the other units, we have prefixes. So K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, DA stands for deca, D stands for deci, C stands for centi, M stands for milli, and MC stands for micro. A kilo is 1,000 times, hecto is 100 times, deca is 10 times, deci is 1/10, centi is 1/100th, milli is 1,000th, and micro is 1/1,000,000th. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 decagram is equal to 10 grams. 1 deciliter is equal to 1/10 of a liter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100th of a meter. A milliliter is equal to 1 over 1,000 liters. And 1 microgram is equal to 1/1,000,000th of a gram. So we're going to be converting. So you'll see lots of different conversions that we're going to have to do here. And we have these converting charts. And you don't need to memorize these. These will be provided. And these really help us with converting because we're going to be moving the decimal place. Now, if I'm converting from a small quantity to a large quantity, I'm going to be moving the decimal place to the left. If I'm converting a large quantity to a small quantity, I'm going to be moving the decimal place to the right. On question number 13, I'm converting 504.7 meters to kilometers. So I want to look at my conversion chart, and if I'm going from meters to kilometers, I'm going from meters to kilometers. To get from meters to kilometers, I'm going 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So I want to mirror that with my decimal place. So I want to move my decimal place 3 places to the left. So this is going to be 0.5047 kilometers. And you can put the leading zero or you don't have to. So you can put 0.5047 or you can just say 0.5047. Either way. So these conversion charts, these really help us decide how many places we're going to move the decimal place. Okay, so number 14 says convert 27 liters to centiliters. So that means I'm going from liters to centiliters. And that was 2 places to the right. So if we don't see a decimal place, it's implied to be right to the right of the number. And I'm moving it 2 places to the right, and I need to add my own zeros. So this would be 2700 CL.